This is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler. We do get the nice silver rims and some chrome accents and black accents, which makes the color pop. We got blind spot detection. We got a remote start with this vehicle as well. And moving to the front, we do get that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open up there on the key fob or by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You do get a hook and a 12 volt. Good for some extra storage and charging. We do get more storage underneath with your spare tire, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, adjustable seats with plenty of door space. We got a carpeted interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 62,519 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, Status Info, Vehicle Maintenance, Audio, Phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, auto stop, auto start with your drive mode, cup holders, storage here with some outlets. You even get some storage in your glove compartment. Dual climate up front with heated front seats. You got your hazards, media controls, storage in the glove compartment. And looking at your infotainment system, you got your audio, compass, phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8124, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.